In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email or other notifications for file activity in Google Drive. Whether you're managing important documents or collaborating on projects, enabling these notifications can help you stay updated with any changes or requests related to your files. Let's dive into how you can easily activate these settings on both the web and within specific Google apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. To get started on the web version, you'll first need to navigate to the Google Drive website by typing drive.google.com into your browser. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account to access all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll notice a gear icon. This little icon is your gateway to all your settings, so go ahead and give it a click. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Within Settings, you'll find a collection of options, one of which is Notifications. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of the various notifications you can enable. Now, let's talk about these notification types. You'll see options like being notified when someone shares a new file or folder with you. If you're working in a collaborative environment, being alerted when you're mentioned in a comment or action item can be incredibly useful. And lastly, there's the option to be notified when someone requests access to a file that you own. Determine which of these notifications will be most beneficial for staying on top of your file activity, and simply check the corresponding boxes. Once you've chosen the notifications that matter the most to you, don't forget to save your settings so everything's locked in. Now, moving on to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. If you're specifically interested in comments or edits made within these applications, here's what you'll need to do. First, open the document you want to enable notifications for. In the top menu, you'll notice the Tools option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, move to Notification Settings and click. Here, you have the flexibility to configure your preferences. You can decide to be alerted to all comments, comments for you, or have no notifications at all by selecting None. For Google Docs, there's an additional layer. Choose whether you want notifications for added or removed content, or turn them off by selecting None for edits. These options allow you to tailor your notification settings to your specific needs, ensuring you stay on top of the actions that are most relevant to you and your work. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Google Drive notifications, ensuring you're always in the loop with the latest updates and interactions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace.